The Nothing Phone 3A series has officially launched, bringing solid specifications and a reasonable price. However, the real anticipation lies with the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. The company has already provided a sneak peek, and while the design of the Phone 3A Pro is exciting, the large camera module has sparked mixed opinions. While the 3A series delivers a great mid-range experience, all eyes are on the flagship-level advancements that the Phone 3 is expected to introduce. Unlike its predecessor, the 2A, which served as an entry-level model, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to bring flagship-level upgrades that could challenge top-tier brands like Apple and Samsung. Leaks suggest that this device will feature a cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 series chipset and a sleek, flat display with minimal bezels for an immersive experience. One of the most exciting upgrades is the introduction of a periscope zoom camera, rumored to offer 5 times optical zoom, placing it in direct competition with the best camera phones on the market. Other standout aspects of the new device will likely be Nothing OS 3. Known for its clean, fast, and intuitive interface, the OS is already a strong point for Nothing smartphones. The hope is that the Phone 3 will refine this experience even further, introducing new features and optimizations to make it even more seamless. With the growing importance of AI in smartphones, Nothing is expected to integrate deeper AI functionalities. Considering that the Phone 3A series introduced an AI button capable of taking smart screenshots, the Phone 3 could potentially be featuring an AI-powered assistant. Given Nothing's partnership with OpenAI, a ChatGPT-powered assistant is a strong possibility. Unlike traditional voice assistants, this AI is designed to be context-aware, adapting dynamically to user actions and even integrating with the phone's glyph interface. Recent leaks have suggested that Phone 3 features an AI companion named Oliver, who can appear on the home screen and react in real time. This kind of seamless integration between hardware and software marks a significant step forward for Nothing, potentially setting a new standard for AI-powered smartphones. The glyph interface itself is rumored to be getting smarter, allowing for deeper interactions beyond just notifications and visual alerts. If these leaks hold true, Nothing could be pioneering a new era of smartphone functionality, where AI-driven interactions become more intuitive and engaging. In addition to these AI features, Phone 3 is expected to continue refining its display technology, possibly featuring a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an increased peak brightness of over 2,000 nits. In terms of battery capacity, the Nothing Phone 3 could see an upgrade from its predecessor's 4,700 mAh cell to a larger 4,880 mAh or even 5,000 mAh battery. As for memory and storage, the device is rumored to launch with an 8GB base RAM variant and a 12GB option for higher storage models. While official details about the release date and pricing remain unconfirmed, reports suggest that the Nothing Phone 3 could launch in mid-2025, with a price tag of around $699. If Nothing can deliver on its promises, this device might be the breakthrough that propels the company into the premium smartphone space.